Hey, thank you for watching more YouTube. Alright, so we're here for another wonderful unboxing video. Once these boxes dry up, I don't know what I'm going to do with YouTube. I'm going to be kind of lost in the shuffle. So put some comments below as to what you think I can probably do once these boxes truly dry up. And keep it PG, folks. Alright, this time around, we have Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty. First of all, hopefully everyone has seen Star Wars The Force Awakens at this point. If you download my podcast, More of the Same, I have a spoiler alert episode of my thoughts and reactions to Star Wars The Force Awakens. Basically, pretty much, fantastic movie. Much better than what the prequels had to offer. J.J. Abrams knocked it out of the park first time coming. They just announced, actually, today, with filming, today's the 20th of January, that they announced that Episode 8 will be December 15th of 2017. So, we're already rapidly approaching. We're under 2 years. You know, I don't want to give anything away. I said what I had to say on the podcast, but, you know, maybe we'll do a little retrospective here soon about The Force Awakens, which I think this box may actually include some stuff from The Force Awakens. So, why wait? Let's get right into it. I need a new knife. That's what I need in life. All right. Folks, what do we have here? Oh, all right. Well, we got the standard. Now, the Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty is the same company that does Marvel Collector Corps, and that will be doing the DC. I forgot the name of the DC one. The DC boxes. So, of course, each month, not a month, it's every other month that these come. You get a patch. So now this month is the Resistance. So there's a sweet looking patch. BB-8. Pretty cool. And there goes the box. A pin of, is that Poe? I think that's Poe. Check that out. Pretty sweet. Look at that. Nice pin. All right. That's right off the bat. Why does it say, behold your first share of Smuggler's Bounty? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, nope, this is all. Oh, yeah, it's new. Okay, so, let's get into it. You know, I'm just not crazy about t-shirts. It's my size, but, that's a pretty, actually, this is a pretty sweet looking t-shirt. They've been putting out, it's a pop vinyl t-shirt. So, because Funko makes these boxes, this Marvel Collector Corps and the DC one. So, these are all straight from Funko. This is a nice looking t-shirt. Yeah, I like that. I'll wear that. Star Wars The Force Awakens. Got a little bit of everyone on there. Chewie, Han, Rey, Poe. Riley? I already forgot. What was the Stormtrooper's name? I already forgot his name. Alright, well, in any event. There's your t-shirt. Pretty sweet looking. Oh, can we back up? There we go. Nice looking t-shirt. That's actually, I'd like to, if that was just like a photo. Not a photo, you know, like a piece of work I can frame on the wall. Alright. T-shirt. Good to go. Let's keep diving in, shall we? Alright, this is this a mug? Alright, well, we got a pop vinyl. This is an exclusive to Smuggler's Bounty. Box is a little dinged up, which is certainly the status quo of these Funko boxes, but not as bad as, I mean, if you've seen my Marvel Collector Corps, the first one I got with the Hulkbuster, I mean, that was just eradicated. Oh, is this like a felt material? Well, here's the Funko Pop. Chewbacca from Force Awakens. Let's see if we can see that. There he is. And he's textured. Is that what's... I wonder if that's the first time I've seen. It's going to be hard to tell. Can you see kind of? It's got a fuzzy texture to him. It looks like my aunt's dog, Casey. But there you go. There it is. Star Wars Smuggler's Bounty exclusive Chewbacca. I guess maybe that look on his face. I'm not sure what specifically makes him exclusive, but we'll take it. I mean, it's a pop vinyl. I mean, it's a bobblehead, I should say. So he's not coming out of the box, and he's an exclusive. So that's pretty sweet on that. All right. Now, the other problem... it is a mug. God damn it. The only problem with the Funko boxes... I mean, granted, you get your money's worth. You know, pop vinyls are like $13. What I'm about to show you is probably $19, maybe? I'm assuming. It's a mug. Now they have pop vinyl mugs. I got it over there. I had gotten in the last Marvel Collector Corps, which is Guardian of the Galaxy, I got a Star-Lord mug. This one is C-3PO. Ceramic mug. And you know what? Let's see what it looks like. All right. Ooh, it's ice cold. I like this mug a lot better than Star-Lord, I'll tell you that much. There he is. That is a mug. That's a drinking mug right there, folks. Actually looks cute. I like that. Okay, there's the handle. Handle, I guess, is red. I'm assuming because he, for some reason, has that red arm in Force Awakens. Not sure what that's about, but I guess we'll find out. See some, detail in the back. Made in China. We won't fault them for that. But, very nice ceramic mug. I like this. This I would actually probably be a little... got to wash it. Be a little odd to drink out. I feel like I'd be drinking out of the corner of it all the time. But, very cool. Yeah, because these are, they're pricey with the pop vinyl, and the mugs, I'm sure, are pricey. You don't get as much. I think the boxes are like $25 a month plus shipping. The value, I think, is about $40 worth of stuff or something. But it's cool. I'm going to put that in there for now. And, gosh, I don't know where Chewie's going to go. Guess we'll go with Kylo Ren. That's what I got last time. Blocking CM Punk, but, you saw that, right? Just put it right back there. There he is. So we'll put him on top. And I don't know if you can see. There's Kylo Ren on the bottom. Well, that's it. That's Smuggler's Bounty. Not much to it. There's only 3 items, but they were good items. I like them. And what do I have coming? It's the 20th of the month, so Loot Crate shipped. I know my Pro Wrestling Crate shipped. I'm getting another Nature's Box, so that's on its way. Again, few of these I've canceled. I'm not going to renew a bunch of them, so once the year is up, oh well. I'm going to be cutting back on a lot of these. I'm probably going to keep the Pro Wrestling Crate. I'll keep Loot Crate. I mean, that's, classic. And, I don't know. I'll see how the other ones go. I did sign up for 1 month of DC. That'll probably come out the end of March. I'll be gone the end of March and beginning of April. I'll be in Dallas for WrestleMania, so that one may not, that video may not happen until like first couple weeks of March, April. But I'll give that one a shot, 1 month, and just see what it's all about. But yeah, that's it. That's Smuggler's Bounty. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, like, subscribe, most notably. There you go, Star Wars. And just follow me everywhere. Not everywhere, I shouldn't say everywhere, because I got an email. It's kind of hard. Let's go on a tangent for a moment. I got an email. It was my handle, Mohr365, but it was at some other email address. It wasn't like, XYZ / something dot, RU. But I Here's what I'm on. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Periscope. I think that's it. So, follow me there. Every once in a while, I do something different on each one of them. Snapchat, I don't use too much. Periscope may go to the wayside now that I can live video on Facebook, which I find a whole lot easier to do. So, find me wherever. Tweet me. Friend me. Like me. Share me. Oh, my. But I enjoy all your support. Thank you very much. And actually, be on the lookout. It's going to be a new episode of More of the Same. It's going to be a Royal Rumble special. I'm actually going to be recording in just a little while. I have a special guest on that. So you can find that through iTunes, More of the Same, MOHR. And this is More 365 signing off. Thank you very much. Catch you next time for more boxes. I got no room. Look at this. No room. See you next time.